how to create a Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook account step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you have opened it, you'll be prompted to the login page. Now here, at the bottom there, you can see the create new account button. So simply tap on it. And now here on the new page, you simply will be asked to enter your first name and last name. So here simply enter the first name and last name, and with that you simply have to tap on next. And now here, once you tap on it on the next page, it will ask you to set the date of birth. So here simply select the date of birth, and here once you're done with it, you simply have to tap on next. And now here on the next page, it will ask your gender. So simply select your gender and tap on next. And now here, make sure that your name matches your real name as well, because Facebook may ask for verification later. Now here with that, on the next page, now here you can either sign up with your mobile number, or you can also sign up with the email address as well. So here I'm gonna simply go with the email address. And now here, once you have entered the email address, simply tap on next. And now here on the next page, you simply have to enter or create a password. So simply create a strong password in here. And here, once you're done with it, you simply have to tap on next. And now here on the next page, you simply have to tap on save info, and here Facebook will show you their terms and policies. So simply tap on I agree, and after that your Facebook account is successfully created. Now here you can add a profile picture, cover photo, you can update your bio and personal info, you can add friends and follow the pages you like, and this will help Facebook to suggest people and content based on your interest. And here, before you start posting, you can go to the settings, privacy, and review who can see your post, friends list, and the personal info. And this will help you to keep your account safe and private. And that's it. That's how you can create a Facebook account from scratch. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.